I would love to hear from anyone what anyone's hopes are for the future, for your work, or for, if there's something personal, just what anyone is looking forward to for the future from this partnership.
Bueno, como me hacía una pregunta de qué pensábamos para el futuro. Bueno,
what she hopes for the future is to teach new girls or ladies that actually they have a lot of requests for other women to join their group, but unfortunately she says that they do not have enough equipment, sewing machines or things that they need in order to teach other new members. So she hopes that in the future they will be able to do that for the future generations, to leave something that they could live up with.
Can I ask, Clara, how many sewing machines you might need?
Ahorita estamos trabajando 11 personas.
11
personas, pero no sabemos como cuántas máquinas más o menos.
Clara says that she thinks with at least 3 more sewing machines, they could be able to bring more people inside and teach them and how to do the work. And also it's going to depend on the demand that they're going to get in the products. But she says that right now, for example, the group is formed by 11 women. Some have already got married and left the group, but others fill up their spots in there. But she says that the women that got married and left, they said that thank you for giving them the opportunity to learn something. And now probably they moved to a different place. That's why they are not part of the group, but they hope others will join in the future.